Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert a speech bubble into your presentations and slides on LibreOffice Impress in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, let's assume you'd like to visualize a conversation on your slide. This is how you can do it. Let me navigate to this slide here. Open up the sidebar here to the right by clicking into this handle. Navigate to the LibreOffice Impress gallery by clicking into gallery here. And after that, choose shapes. And under shapes, you will see various speech bubbles like this one or that one. I will go with this one. Double click into it and then position it here on your, or drag it on your presentation. And then you may, for example, position also a text box on that speech bubble to visualize a conversation or something that has been said. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.